So now you're seeing your sinker at the bottom. So this is the wrong way to have your sinker because this is what your sinker is doing. And you see Lola as a small fish is getting spooked. You can see she's afraid. However, if I was holding that sinker right at the bottom, nice and steady, waiting for that fish to bite, Lola is no longer scared and will come around that sinker without a problem, right? And I think this is the perfect demonstration to see what actually happens in the ocean. So now, let's say I were drifting, this sinker is drifting and it's sitting upright. And if you notice, the way the sinker is designed, it's designed rounded so that it can hop over things. So for example, here it is. I hit a rock. Boom. Comes over. I hit a rock, it comes over. Versus if this sinker were laying down and I hit that rock, there's a possibility that the front of that sinker can get hung up on whatever is at the bottom. As well as I'm keeping my hooks very close to the bottom. So giving something else at the bottom that can get hung up. So now I want to bring this over some structure, right? So I'm fishing near structure and I'm drifting, and if I have slack in that line as I'm drifting, I'm dragging, and look, I'm already hung up. I'm already hung up. Now let's do that one more time. If I had my sinker upright the proper way, and I'm drifting, and I'm drifting, and I'm less likely to get hung up. Why? Because I'm leveraging the design of the sinker, right? And I'm keeping it upright. So it's able to really just bounce over whatever might hang it up versus getting hung up, you know, the front of the sinker, my hooks are down here. That's the right way to fish the bottom. So I hope you guys like this. I hope it taught you something. And if it didn't, you have your own way to do it. God bless you. This is how I've been doing it my entire life. This is what works. And if you think about it, it makes a lot of sense. You guys be great.